how to know if someone is on another call on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find out if someone is busy on another call in Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, make sure that your Instagram application is up to date to its latest version. If not, you can simply update your application through the Play Store. Once you do that, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you land on your account, first of all, you have to make sure that the activity status of your Instagram account is turned on. For that, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. That will take you to your profile page. Again, tap on the three-line icon from the upper right corner. That will take you to settings and activity. Here, scroll down a bit and then tap on message and story replies. Here, you will find an option as show activity status. So tap on that. Here you have to make sure that the toggle is turned on under show activity status. So if your toggle is turned off, turn on your activity status, and once you go back to your inbox page, now here you will find all your friends with a green dot on their profile who is active on Instagram at the moment. So simply tap on that profile and try to call that person. But if they are not responding to your calls or messages, they might be on another call. And you note that both you and your friends have the activity status turned on in their settings for this to work. So that's how you can know if someone is busy on another call on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.